if you look at this set WXY, you've got 3 elements in it, and that tells me you have 2 to the 3rd subsets, which is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing one. X, WX, WY, WX, WY. I'm missing XY. Find that out. I was from when I wrote them out. So this set has got 4 elements. So it's got 2 to the 4th or 16 subsets. And we're trying to figure out how many subsets of that set contain W. Well, XYZ is a subset of that. And it doesn't have a W in it. And how many subsets do we have of X, Y, and Z? That's going to be 2 to the 3rd, which is 8. So if you take 16, which is all of them, minus 8 of these are the ones that do not have a W. The rest of them will have a W. So the answer is 8.